Hey guys, just wanted to show you another van. It's a Riptide model, so rear bunks. This also has a slide out lounge, which we wanted to show. It's the first time we've done one of these slide outs. It's come out great, plenty of storage, plenty of space as well in the living space. So let's have a look at the outside first. So the chassis is a fully gal dip chassis. You have your massive monster toolbox with gas bottles inside, and then your custom J molding on there, bug lights. The tunnel boot runs all the way through. The customer's requested felt carpet on this, so it should keep it nice and clean. Massive awning as well, tinted windows, midget proof door, windows, crimp safe as well. And then you have a toolbox, flat chassis, double step, and then the custom picnic table along with a TV box. So this one has a 32-inch TV, white cladding, a dimple plate or X plate on this van. There's a second storage as well, which runs all the way through. And then coming over to the back, you have two jerry can holders, a reverse camera, lights, that's all standard. And then the spare wheel is underneath the chassis. And then over to the offside, you have a external washing machine with the laundry chute, which we'll have a look at closely once we're inside. This one is also aluminum frames. External shower, there's two vent lines, and that's your slide out unit. So it's a massive unit. There's a bit of storage underneath, and then hot water unit, another storage under the bed. That's your tunnel boot. So there's plenty of great features on the van, plenty of upgrades. It is fully customized.